Hey, hello, how to download actually Yoast SEO plugin for latest version. These are the Yoast SEO, and if you need this Yoast SEO, you just going to my website, that is foisaljaman.com, and search on Google foisaljaman.com, and it will this is the page, and actually going to this post part, and here it is the Yoast SEO. If you don't find the Yoast SEO, you search on this. Actually, you can search on the search bar, just type Yoast 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 and hit enter, and you will see the Yoast SEO plugin. And just click this Yoast SEO plugin, and it will open the blog of the page, and you just scroll the page, and here as you can see, these are the Yoast SEO plugin. Just click actually the download here button, and it will take 15 seconds. In the meantime, I will announce that is if you are not in my group, you just join my Facebook group. Actually, Facebook group will help you to if you need another extra plugin that would be it's not exist in my website, and I will you just contact with me on Facebook group. Actually, it will help you. I will give you the plugin for you or theme for you. Don't worry, this is the last step. This is a two-step I will give you on 50 second and 50 second. So that's the my request for you, that is you can download any plugin or theme from my website. Actually, all are GPL theme plugin. Actually, all are actually license. Actually, these all are theme and plugin are virus free. So don't worry. Undoubtedly, you can use your client website, or undoubtedly use your practice purpose website. So it will not hamper to your website. And if you need any license key of your website, you can contact with me, and I will license to you this SEO license for you with very cheap rate. If you are design, or if you are configure this plugin to your client website, and your client will require that is they actually need license key, and this license key will actually required for a client. So in the meantime, you can offer to your client, that is you can provide the license key very cheap rate, and client will be happy for you, right? So that's the very interesting thing. So that you can actually took the opportunity from your client, right? So as you can see, already been downloaded the Yoast SEO plugin premium version. This is the 2.0.5, and actually these are the latest plugin, and you can use it on your website actually. So if you are use actually older version plugin Yoast SEO, and it will already been conflict to the latest PHP version. So right now it's running the latest PHP version, and if you are using oldest SEO Yoast SEO plugin, and if you are use oldest plugin, and today's WordPress version will not actually match, and that will be conflict, and you cannot use for Yoast SEO plugin. So in the meantime, you actually need update to Yoast SEO plugin. So in order to you can use a GPL version from my website, and you can download that means you can get Yoast SEO license key from me, and you just in order to do, you just go into my contact page, and you just contact with me on WhatsApp, and I will provide you license key. In the meantime, you just give your WordPress login access, and I will put my activation key, and it will activate for 1 year, and undoubtedly you can use for 1 year. Don't worry, no hassle. So yeah, today's video will be that. And if you think this video actually helpful, you just share to your friend. Why waste your time? Just share to your friend, and your friend can help from my website. So you can help to your brother. So thank you to this video. If you found this video is very helpful, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.